High-performance blacktop repair creates a durable, long-lasting fix that prevents recurring potholes and water damage, the way standard cold patch does not. High-performance mixes use polymer-modified binders that improve adhesion to the existing pavement and maintain flexibility through temperature swings, so the material moves with the blacktop instead of cracking away. Apply the repair to a dry, clean surface. Remove loose debris with a wire brush or compressed air and cut the hole edges square so the patch can bond to solid material rather than loose, crumbly edges. Compacting is critical. Use a steel hand tamper or plate compactor, in short, firm passes to remove air pockets and activate the adhesive properties of the binder, and keep compaction passes centered and overlapping until the patch is flush. Layering works for deep holes. Place material in thirds and compact each layer rather than trying a single thick lift that will not consolidate. Edge sealing with a thin bead of hot or polymeric sealer after compaction prevents water infiltration that undermines the repair, and allow at least 24 hours of cure time before opening to traffic, longer in cool or wet conditions. Store unopened product off the ground and protected from moisture, and follow the manufacturer mixing and temperature recommendations exactly to preserve the enhanced properties. Common mistakes start with poor surface preparation, which prevents a strong bond. Fix that by cleaning to bare sound edges and drying the area as much as possible before placement. Another issue is insufficient compaction, which leads to early failure. Solve this by compacting in firm, overlapping passes, and layering deep repairs so each lift receives full compaction. People also skip edge sealing and expose the repair to water intrusion. Prevent that by tooling a thin sealant bead around the perimeter after the patch cures to block, freeze, thaw, and running water from washing out the repair. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives clear product comparisons so we can help people decide whether a high-performance repair is worth the extra cost. Our site also helps contractors find work and grow their business, and we host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips and experiences.